Coming up next on Wall Street Warriors.
I sold you 507! I screamed sold! I don't want to hear it! I said sold!
Hopefully you've been keeping up with the SanDisk. We're at $58 a share, so we're about up 16 points.
You got profits of about $240,000.
Today I'm taking a helicopter out to a polo match in the Hamptons.
Team Black Watch are victors today.
I have a job interview in Paris in 2 days, and I'm just trying to get there as soon as I can.
Hi, darling. Welcome home again. Oh, hi.
Good afternoon. Is Charles available, please? Lates and I have a lot of fun. There's different ways of getting through the secretaries. How you doing, Tiffany? You got to flirt with them a little bit. You got to crack jokes.
You sound like you're hot. How old are you?
You know I'm just calling to talk to you in the first place.
If I was over there, I'd definitely be taking you out.
Good. You recall we had a conversation a while back. I sent him better.
Hello, Mike. Hey, it's Jim, your favorite broker up in New York. Have you been following the SanDisk story at all? Exactly, yeah. So they had earnings last Thursday, and they actually came out with a great number. The street was expecting 15 cents. They came in at 30. You got profits of about 40%, about 240,000 US.
I got more good news for you, man. Hopefully you've been keeping up with the SanDisk. I know you're busy as hell, but we're at $58 a share. So we're about up 16 points, and I think you have 3,000 shares with us. Yeah. So, yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you. Everything's looking good.
So your account looks very good right now. Absolutely. It's a pleasure speaking with you. Bye-bye.
It's just so much easier to call people when your stock's up 16 points. It's a pleasure to talk to them, actually.
The way we do business is we introduce ourselves over the phone, so it's a very cold relationship starting off.
No, I'd love an opportunity to bring you on board, make you some good money in the markets.
The one thing that can change that very drastically is if a guy sends you some money and you put them in stock and it goes up like SanDisk did. Most of our clients are up about 40% right now. Well, it is now. I don't know how much you sent me, but I turned it into 16. And 2 months ago, they Jim who? Oh yeah, you're that guy. Hang on, I got another call. But now it's like, we're actually having a relationship with these guys. So it's just been a lot of fun. Talk to everybody, let them know how much they're up. You got in at $45 and change. It's at $57. They have, whatever, $1 million in the stock, and it goes up 15% in a week. They look at it, they're like, hell yeah. Look what these guys are doing for me. Where are these two Southern clowns? Let me give them a call and see what's going on.
I'm packing for Paris today. I'm flying out in just a couple hours. I have a job interview in Paris in 2 days, and I'm just trying to get there as soon as I can. I had to leave SMB. I talked to Mike and Steve. I told them that even though I loved working there, training there, my parents moved back to Paris, and they're really insisting on me going out there and giving it a try. Mike understood my reasons, and they're really understanding about it. I should get out of here. I have a lead at a structured finance company in Paris. A friend of mine from school heard that they were looking for some junior analysts. I think they like the fact that I speak 3 languages and that I'm comfortable in France. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing my family again, but it's hard leaving New York because if I do get this job, I don't know when I'm coming back. I've been here for 7 years now. I went to school here. A lot of my friends live here, so it's definitely going to be a tough decision to make if I have to stay there.
weight. Not surprised, right?
Today I'm taking a helicopter out to a polo match in the Hamptons. The co-owner of Jet One Jets, Laetitia, was nice enough to offer to fly me out.
I think if I need a seatbelt, I have bigger things to worry about, right? During the summer, I rent a place in the Hamptons, so it's a good way to get out of the city, do some networking with clients of mine and other potential business partners. And as well, this weekend with my charity, I'm running a charity raffle to raise money for breast cancer research at the Bridgehampton Polo event. So we've got the Bridgehampton attire on. This is a beautiful way to travel.
The last couple of weeks, cotton has come off pretty substantially. It was trading upwards of 65 to 66 cents. It's now 60 and a half, and a lot of people are attributing it not only to a slightly bigger supply overseas of cotton than was expected, but also to the whole rough and tumble that Wall Street's been seeing the last couple of weeks. The subprime mortgage market is really having an effect across the board with all the markets. It's not been good for a lot of people's pension funds. Anyway.
So right now we're not sure what kind of day we're going to get. We might get a direction out of where we open. You'll find out what kind of day it's going to be early at least. You know, it's excitable.
Most openings seem chaotic. It's not always the most erratic time of the day, but it seems like it because you have a bunch of different trades that are explosively all occurring at once. Doug just bought 2,000 decks of 45. I gotta go. Everybody has to buy what they've got to buy. Sold 200! Sold 200! And sell what they have to sell on that opening bell. So it's a fanfare of screaming and yelling. Deck 70 calls! How are they? Deck 60 calls! Half double, Deck 63 calls.
Coming up next on Wall Street Warriors.
And is Brad in? He's not. All right, I'll give him a call back. Thank you.
If you want that $1 million guy, the guy who's 20 million in the market, you won't get to talk to him easily.
Well, I mean, it's not rocket science either. He's in or he's not in.
I sold you 507! I screamed sold! I don't want to hear it! I screamed sold at 27. He didn't hear me scream sold, and he bid 8. Can't do that.
You guys self-funded the whole thing, or you guys brought in some institutional backers?
So far, self-funded the venture with our own money, but at this point, our growth is so quick, and our potential to do well over $100 million in the next 12 months is there. So we're bringing in some institutional money.
We're investing up to $10 million per company in about 20 businesses a year.
Right. We're looking probably for about $5 to $8 million. So that's the sweet spot for you.
It's a lifestyle package. Helicopters, boats, planes. It's a luxury, right?
That's what we're selling, is a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Well, we're arriving at East Hampton Airport right now. Right now, we got some ground transportation. I got us a limo to head on over to Bridgehampton Polo at the Jet Stadium and meet a lot of good people.
That's great.
And
That
have a
should be
good
a lot
time.
of fun.
Deck 62 called 10 bid. I don't know if there's any volume on that. We're bouncing hard. First thing this morning, puts were getting bought, and the market held miraculously and then started bouncing back up, and that's when the call coverings started coming in. So there was a lot of call buying. Deck 74. 40 bid, 40 bid, 40 bid. 40 bid at 5.
It's busy as it's been in quite some time. This pit has become extremely crowded, so it's tough to hear.
3,7,400. 375 bid.
330.
There's a lot going on, and sometimes you're trying to block out everything to see what's close to you, and sometimes what you're blocking out is what you really need to pay attention to.
He bought about 500. Hey, Max! Sold! Sold! I said sold at 7! I screamed sold! I said yes! I said sold! 500! 500 at 7! I sold you 500 at 7! Guy was 27 bid for the next 72 calls. I screamed sold, and that means that I'm committing to sell whatever he's got in his hand at 27. He didn't hear me scream sold, and he bid 8 and started buying 8s from people when I was at 7. Can't do that. I screamed sold! I don't want to hear it! I said sold! I think I have a pretty loud voice. I ran over to make perfectly clear that I said sold at 7. He gave me the 500, so they accepted it. There are very few people that would not help you out. The guys that don't usually don't get recognized as readily by all the brokers. And these guys, they're amazing. They'll give up their profit just to help you out of an error. 75, Paul Pence.
4090.
Would be into it. Is Jim available?
Good afternoon. Is Brad in? He's not. All right, I'll give him a call back.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
If you want that $1 million guy, the guy who's 20 million in the market, you won't get to talk to him easily.
Well, I mean, it's not rocket science. Either he's in or he's not in.
These guys are CEOs. You know, a lot of them are CEOs of publicly traded companies. So the secretaries won't let you through.
I can't just start saying numbers and his private personal information. Just let him know I'm on the line, please.
Their job is to not put all these calls through and waste his time.
You're gonna have to be very persistent, get to know those secretaries, get past the secretary, then get to the PA.
Call them a few times, get to know certain things about them. You know, you call them back, you know. They drop little hints each time. Use their hints against them.
You want to be as vague as possible. Is Georgian?
Right, I understand that, right. It's not a sales call, man, okay?
It's really not sales calls, it's really new business, and you're calling to introduce yourself.
Once he knows I'm on the line, I'm sure he'll take the call. Thank you. You tell me he has no idea who Richie is.
Lates and I have a lot of fun. It's different ways of getting through the secretaries. You know, you got to flirt with them a little bit. You got to crack jokes.
You sound like you're hot. How old are you? If I was over there, I'd definitely be taking you out. Like, how's your boss treat you? You just try to get the conversation going because they get a lot of these calls every day.
Whatever you think you're going to say and you think you're original, they've heard it 10 times before.
There's some that are pit bulls. You know, we call them the gatekeepers. Good afternoon. Is Charles available, please? He is. Yeah, it's Jim.
You just got to try to break the ice a little bit.
How you doing, Tiffany?
They get to know your voice after a while, and they're like, oh, is this Lance? They're like, yeah, I only called to talk to you, blah, blah, blah.
All day, huh? But you know I'm just calling to talk to you in the first place.
And eventually, maybe they'll have a good day or something, they'll pass you through to the guy.
Any chance we could just talk on the phone, hang out for a little bit, maybe he walks by and you patch me through?
For the most part, those girls are tough, man.
You have a meeting too now? All right. You promise? All right, I'll let you go. I know you're busy. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. She wasn't really feeling it. Lots of times I don't. I'm not exactly a ladies' man. She likes to play hard to get, I guess you'd say.
It's like 9 Paris time. I'm on my way to my parents' place. I feel okay, I'm not too tired. I'm probably gonna crash in like an hour or two though, because I haven't really slept. The sky's gray, typical of Paris. It's actually not even that bad because I see patches of blue sky, but I mean, it's typically gray and low and cloudy.
I know Paris pretty well. I spent a couple years here growing up before moving back to New York. My parents met in New York and I was born there. And then after 7 years living there, we moved to Germany. I went to French school in Germany, so we basically spoke French while I was in Germany. And then I moved to Paris. I moved back to New York in 2001 and I spent 2 years at the French high school in New York, so my education is French. But I did go to NYU, and the past 4 or 5 years I've just immersed myself more in an American culture. All my friends are now American, so I really have a little bit of both cultures in me.
Oh non, regarde. Oui. Hi darling, welcome again. Oh, hi.
I miss you. Ça va et toi, c'est? Ouais. It took me 2 hours to get from the airport to my parents' house. My job interview is tomorrow, and I haven't slept in like 24 hours. I just can't wait to get some rest.
Coming up next on Wall Street Warriors.
Lucky you, you're from New Jersey, the finest state in the union, and you can have your local beer right here in Fairfield. Yeah!
We're at Cricket Hill Brewery tonight. It's a good place to come and test some free beer.
Laetitia, t'as rendez-vous là pour le boulot?
Ouais. My mom wanted to know everything about the interview that's coming up tomorrow, which I didn't even feel like talking about.
What's his name?
Richard.
You don't know?
Richard.
May 65 and 6 calls! 35, 69! So ready!
The market closes at 2:15 and I usually leave pretty soon thereafter. I have been living in New Jersey since birth, but I did take a little respite and I went to college in Vermont and then I moved back. When I come home from work, this is the first place I go. I come out here and I water and I just love it. It's very therapeutic to me and I think it balances your day out because you're screaming and yelling and jumping around like a lunatic, and now you're doing something very calm and it's nice.
You go to Europe, you'll come back and tell me how great it was wherever you went. You're gonna have local beers, you have local wine, and I'm saying, lucky you, you're from New Jersey, the finest state in the union, and you can have your local beer right here in Fairfield. Yeah!
We're at Cricket Hill Brewery tonight. It's a good place to come and test some free beer. The guy in here that owns this brewery is just fantastic. So a bunch of my friends and I came down here tonight just to check out the new brews. It's a really nice way to end your day.
This is the beer you should have in your refrigerator. We're in New Jersey. We make the finest stuff in the world. We make Jersey girls, we make Jersey corn, and we make Cricket Hill beer.
We were running late. We took the helicopter out today, and we actually just barely made it on time to get everything set up before these mobs of people came here. So luckily, we just made it. Today we're doing a raffle with Acorn Charities Group, which is a charity I founded this year. Jessica is my marketing director, and this is our launch event. 100% of all proceeds raised today go to help support people that are fighting cancer. And my mother passed away from cancer when I was 6, so I'm very passionate about trying to raise money. This is a bag by Prada. This is Michael Kors. This is BC. This is a very high net worth crowd. It's an invitation-only event. I'm running the only charity here, so these are very good people to be networking with. A lot of them are business owners, people that we can potentially invest in, people that are potential investors for our fund, just good networking and community involvement in general, which I do a lot of business in this community, so it's very good for my corporate image as well.
Piera sends it well up and through for the score. Piera's again.
We're going to go hand out the trophy to the winners of the Bridgehampton polo match. I'm going to Jet 1 Jets to present the trophy right now.
Team Black Watch are victors today.
It was an awesome day today. We've got a whole bunch of stuff to pack back. Have to go meet with a bunch of different clients of mine. We're going to go out for dinner, a whole bunch of us. I have to go take care of some final items with the raffle and charity, and then have to go meet the second crew of people out later tonight. So busy night still ahead.
Laetitia, tu peux me donner de l'eau, s'il te plaît? Tu es fatiguée, non?
Ouais.
Oh là là.
T'as pu dormir un petit peu?
Juste 1 heure ou 2 dans l'avion, quoi.
T'avais des secours? Ouais. I was waiting for my mom to come home all day, and I was really happy when she came home and cooked dinner for the whole family. It was good for the 4 of us to sit down, you know, and just be all together. We talked about how life was in New York, and my mom wanted to know everything about the interview that's coming up tomorrow, which I didn't even feel like talking about because I was just so tired from the flight.
T'as rendez-vous là pour le boulot?
Ouais.
What's his name first?
Richard.
You don't know?
Richard.
Oh, Richard.
Is he an American or a French person?
American.
An American.
And is he working for a big firm or what is it?
His own company. I think it's a smaller company.
Did he post an ad or how did you get
I met someone at NYU who gave me his email address because they told me he was looking for someone in Paris. So I sent him my resume. Now he wants to meet me.
So you sent him an email. You said you were looking for a job in Paris?
Yeah.
Oh, great. That's good news. Et qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il travaille pour... C'est quoi? C'est une banque? C'est investment?
Compagnie, c'est un banquier. Genre il aide les compagnies qui ont des problèmes financiers.
And what kind of a job do you think he's going to offer you?
An analyst level job. I mean, if he does offer a job, I don't know. I mean,
if he offered it to you, would you love to take it and stay here in Paris with us?
I don't know. I have to see. It depends. I have to think about it.
You have to think about it, huh? You know, we would love to have you here with us, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, because you don't have a job in New York anyway, so at least you will have something here.
You know.
You have a busy day, it's nice to step away and take some putts. It's all about being relaxed.
Oh, this is a miss for sure. See? Didn't even sniff it.
He's got a close-up of your mullet right now, Lance. Yeah, he does. Lance, you pretty much suck at this, man. You got a great future at the putt and putt, dude. You can be the ball guy.
You got a good future as a caddy, son.